Received an ECGDAT file from a medical device or cardiology study and need to view the heart rhythm data? These files contain critical electrocardiogram recordings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access ECG data files properly. We're tackling this ECGDAT file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. ECGDAT files are electrocardiogram data files containing recorded heart electrical activity from ECG monitoring devices. They store time series voltage measurements from cardiac electrodes used in medical diagnosis monitoring and research for analyzing heart rhythm and detecting abnormalities. ECGDAT files use device-specific formats, storing sampled ECG waveform data with metadata including sampling rate, lead configuration, patient information, and recording timestamps. The format may be binary or structured text depending on the originating ECG device manufacturer and software platform. For viewing and interaction, ECGDAT is most commonly opened via CardioPerfect from Welch, Allyn. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows does not parse structured data formats, so the original application is needed for full visibility. To open this specific ECGDAT file, right-click your file and select Open With. If CardioPerfect is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. When your ECGDAT file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, opening with ECG Software. Use the ECG analysis software provided by your device manufacturer, such as Schiller CardioPerfect Welch, Allyn CardioPerfect, or similar platforms. These applications properly parse the ECGDAT format, displaying waveforms with measurements and analysis tools for clinical interpretation. Next, trying universal ECG viewers. Install ECG viewer applications like ECG Viewer or LabChart that support multiple ECG formats. Import the ECGDAT file to display waveforms and basic measurements. These tools provide format conversion and basic analysis when the original device software is unavailable. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use conversion utilities to transform ECGDAT into standard formats like SCP ECG HL7 AECG or DCOM waveform. Standardized formats enable viewing in any compliant medical software and facilitate sharing across different hospital systems and electronic health record platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.